Today, I'm going to show you how to take your smoky char grilled chook to the next level using Chermoula paste and a coriander yogurt. Now, Chermoula paste is a Moroccan marinade that's going to make that chicken really spicy and beautifully fragrant. All right, now rub that paste all over the chicken and even get under that skin if you can. Set up the trivet and heat your barbecue to medium. Then put the chicken on the trivet, skin side up. Now this will make sure that the skin's nice and crispy at the end. Now while that's cooking, I'm going to make up some coriander yogurt and make sure you use fresh coriander for some extra flavour. After an hour, take away the trivet and flip the chicken so the skin's directly on the grill, and cooking that for 10 minutes or until it's nice and just charred. Let that rest for at least 10 minutes covered in foil. Then carve it up and serve with the coriander yogurt and grilled veg. Beautiful. Now for this recipe and more Mighty Helpful tips, head to Mitre 10.